Deciding on the right lawyer.
When trying to find the right lawyer for your case, here are a few things you should consider. Payment. There are different ways you can pay for a lawyer's services. The most common include an hourly fee, in which the lawyer is paid a certain amount of money for each hour they work on your case. A fixed fee, which means a flat fee is charged for your whole case or for a specific part of the case. A contingent fee, where the lawyer receives a percentage of any amount you receive from your case. To learn more about payment options, please watch the lawyer-client relationship video in this series. If you have multiple legal issues, you may need different lawyers to handle the different issues. People often have different legal issues, including buying property, drafting a will, or getting a divorce. For example, you may have had to hire a lawyer because you recently got divorced. However, you may also have a housing issue, and your divorce lawyer may not have expertise in those housing issues. Ask your lawyer whether he or she can handle your new matter. If not, ask your lawyer to recommend another lawyer to assist you. Personality and character. Lawyers are people too. You want to work with someone who you trust and will like working with. Never forget that you are the client and that you deserve to be treated with respect. Language skills. You will have to talk to your lawyer many times. If you do not speak English, try to find a lawyer who speaks your language. If a lawyer does not speak your language, find out if the lawyer has a translator available. Your first meeting with a lawyer is often called an initial consultation. The first time you meet with a lawyer may be scary. Before you get too nervous, remember that it is your decision whether to hire this lawyer. When you arrive at the meeting, be prepared to discuss your case. The lawyer will want to know more about your situation and may ask you some specific questions. It may be helpful to write down the key facts of your case and bring that with you. It is important for you to tell the truth so that the lawyer can properly understand your case. Generally, your talk with a lawyer during an initial consultation is protected by the lawyer-client privilege. That means it's confidential. Here are some questions you should ask before your initial consultation. Will I be charged for the initial meeting? For some kinds of cases, lawyers may provide the initial consultation for free, while for others, there may be a fee. You will want to know this in advance. How long will the consultation last? Where is the office? Can I take public transit? Or if I'm driving, where should I park and how much does it cost? Should I bring any documents with me to the consultation? You should ask the lawyer beforehand exactly what to bring to the initial consultation. But here are some things the lawyer will likely need. Any documents that you think are important and have to do with your legal issues, especially any court documents you may have received, like a notice or a petition. An outline of the key facts of your case, a picture ID, a checkbook or credit card in case you really like the attorney and want to hire him or her right away. Here are some helpful questions to ask the lawyer during the initial consultation. How long have you practiced law? If the case involves court, what is your courtroom experience? How many cases have you handled like mine? Will any other lawyers work on my case? Who are they? Can I meet them? Will any paralegals or assistants work on my case? How will I be able to reach you if I need to speak to you? How much will my case cost? What are my payment options? How long will my case last? What are my chances of getting the result that I want? And what happens if I lose? The lawyer may not be able to give you answers to all of these questions at the initial consultation. They may need more information. However, the lawyer should be able to tell you what information they need and when they will be able to answer the rest of your questions. Sometimes the lawyer will say that they do not believe you have a case or are not willing to represent you. Be sure to ask why and take notes. If you do not like the answer the lawyer gives, you can get a second opinion from another lawyer. At the end of the meeting, if you believe the lawyer is a good match, ask the lawyer to give you an engagement letter to review. Do not feel pressured to sign an engagement letter at that time if you are not sure. For more information, see the video on the lawyer-client relationship. To see and print a summary of the information in this video, including the list of questions for your lawyer, click on the link to the brochure on this page.